Hello, this is my review for Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint, and this is how it looks. It has, what I like about this product is that it has olive oil, jojoba oil, and avocado oil. So it's your go-to balm. I have an extra lipstick on my lips, but before I put the color, I put this on my skin, and it's just like glossy, and it has a very light tint of pink. I love this product even after my routine at night, and when I remove the color of my lips. I enjoy put this on. I enjoy putting this on because it really hydrates my lips. This is how it looks. Has a beautiful presentation. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.